Say ecosystem is becoming the talk of the town for DeFi users, NFTs, and traders. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to trade meme tokens on Say blockchain, the bots that you need to use, the website that you need to check for new tokens that are launching. All you need to do, what you need to check for you to know if a project is a solid project, and how you need to go about trading memes on Say blockchain. So if you want to trade meme on Say blockchain, you should watch this video and to get insight on how to do it. Website to use to look for new tokens, the bots that you can use to trade meme on Say blockchain, and what you need to check before you start trading. So the first one is the website that you need to use. The website is geckoterminal. When you come to geckoterminal, let me start from the beginning. Welcome to geckoterminal.com. So geckoterminal.com will take you to a landing page like this. You see different chains, you see Solana, BNB, and so on. But AC that I want to look into. You scroll here. If you are using phone, you can. It's a place you can filter it at the top, and you'll be able to see different chains. So you just go to say V2, and the V2 is the one that is compatible with EVM. If V1 is compatible with Cosmos SDK. So you click on it. It's still loading. Click on the say, then you see different tokens. You see it's from the number one till the list. So currently now, Popo is the one trending, which is the number one. It has a liquidity of 88.8k liquidity and 521.39k dollars. So now there is Popo, there is Sayan, there is Sayon, there is Chuk, there is Gay, there is Sake, and so these are the different tokens on the same blockchain. And if you want to look for the ones to trade, see this is trending. These are been the ones that have been trending for the past 6 hours. So Popo has been the number one, while Sayan is the number two. Sayan is like the first meme on Say blockchain. The biggest, yeah, I'll say it's the biggest because it has 100, it has 10 million market cap. It has 10 million FDV, sorry, fully diluted value. So it has 10 million. So there's no other memes on Say that has this kind of volume. And yeah, so then followed by Milli. Milli is the second one. So we will not be looking into that because those ones have already grown big. For you to make like 10x on this one, it's going to be very difficult. So you need to like check the ones that are just coming up. The likes of Popo. Popo is big as well. This Sayon too, there's a possibility that you can do maybe like 5x from where it is right now. And this Chuk too, it's a possibility that this one too can do maybe like 10x. Yeah, because if Chuk goes to like 260k, that's 10x. Also, this Gay, and there's another one I am currently bullish on, very bullish on it. What is the name again? Let me search for it. OD. Yes, OD, that is the name. Where is he at? Let me try to look for it. Let me search for it. Let's see. I don't know why it's not showing here, but it should show. Try to look for it. So yeah, here is it, and it's currently at 22k market cap. If this goes to, if this goes to, if this goes to 200k market cap, that means that's 10x for you. You are buying it now, and the token age is like 3 months ago. The volume in 24 hours is 1.28k, while the liquidity is 4k. So it's, see, like has pumped for in the past few days, and now it's currently retracing. So you can just check them out. You can check their website. The website is not updated yet, but on dexscreener, which is the second website that you can use to check for say token. I think I'm currently on the page. Yeah, I'm on the page of dexscreener. So you can check here. Just join check their website, their Twitter, their Telegram. And if you are looking into a token on this same blockchain and you cannot find their Twitter, you cannot find their Telegram, I don't think you should invest in it because you don't know where it's coming from. Even you don't know the community to ask questions if anything happens or if anything is going on there. So you need to like check the one that you will be able to ask somebody question that what is going on about this token, what is the plan, how do you want to do it, and all those kind of stuff. So you need to check that out before you invest in any token there. And you can also do some analysis on chain. So this is where you can check top traders, people that have been trading, gain some money trading this token. So this is where you can check it. And, you can copy the contract address. When you copy the contract address, you can go to say scan or say trace. You will see the orders distribution there. Say trace. So this is how the page of the say trace looks like. Just paste the address that you copied from the screen and just paste it here and click on it. And click on it to bring the information about the token to bring it out here. Yeah, so this wood has a total supply of 1 billion. That's a total supply of 1 billion. It has 73 orders and it's ERC20 standard. So this is how you can just check it out here. So you can check the orders distribution to see what is going on there. So currently, 57.88% of it has been pumped. So this is the pump address. Why 5.72? I believe this is the liquidity. Okay, this 3.7 is the liquidity pair. So this is like the top order there. So and another 3.03 is among the top order. Why? So these are the top orders here on this OD. So you can just check them out. See, you have 73 orders, and these are how people are holding it. So these are you can just easily check it for you to see what is going on in it. And you can check their contract if there's any issue. They are a developer, you know how to read contracts. So you can check their contract. When it's loads, you can check it and you see it. So that's just that about what you need to check. And I'll be checking their social media right now. So social media is let me check their Twitter. So this is the Twitter page of this OD and say. So you can just check it out. I have like 367 followers. They have been making posts back to back past few days. So I just check it out. Yeah. So that is that about what you need to check. You need to check their website. If their social media is active, their community is active. This is not very active, but at least it's something. So you need to check them out and see what they are doing there. So I'll be going into the ports that you can use to trade on say. The name of the bot that you can use to trade on say blockchain is Super Saiyan bot. So you can use to trade like I use your Maestro bot, your Soul Trading bot to trade. So this is the best bot that you can use on say blockchain. So when you come here, you just need to press this start to bring out your wallet for you. So you deposit your say into this wallet, then you can start whatever that you want to start, you can paste the contract address here. See if I paste the contract address to ask me what I want to do with it. So telling me volume. It's telling me volume 855, best cap 53. I think this is bringing the wrong. Let me check. Maybe somebody bought the token. No, but it's bringing the wrong information. Well, you can still use it. That's why the information that it's bringing. So you can just input the amount of say that you want to buy. You want to buy, you say buy X say. So if you want to buy 100 say, you can just put it there. If you have the 100 say in wallet. So me, I don't have anything in my wallet, so it will not allow me to buy it. You see, you don't have enough say to swap cover gas. So, but if I have enough say to buy it immediately, and immediately he buys it, to be able to track my transaction, everything I'm doing. If my token is increasing by 100%, 200%, if it's decreasing, to also be tracking it. So this is the bot that you can use to trade on Say ecosystem. And I think that's all with this uh, bot on Say. So if you want to like get more alphas, so just follow people that are on Say blockchain. I also make posts about Say blockchain. And in a few days, I'm going to be dropping some alphas, some content about the Say blockchain and their protocols. So stay tuned to this page and look forward to the content I'm going to be dropping about it.
If you found this video helpful, do also like it, share it, and also subscribe to this channel so that you get more videos like this and more alphas. And don't forget, join my Telegram community for you to get alphas on airdrops, trades, and jobs. So see you in the next video.